I've been experimenting with bar end risers like these. I think these have fallen out of fashion, and I haven't found a whole lot of people on the internet that are making videos about them or talking about them. They have told me on this bike that I put them on backwards, but here's the principle. So in my case, I'm just not comfortable down low anymore because I'm old. So rather than reroute all the cables and undo all this mess, I just put bar end risers on it. And to do that, you either cut a chunk off your grips and slide your grips over and then leave the brake levers alone, or you unscrew your brakes and shifter, move it over 1.5 centimeters, and then that makes room for the bar end riser to go on. These are Bon Trager brand, and people told me I've put them on backwards, but I like that. Like believe you're supposed to put them on leaning forward, so you kind of can lean forward and hold on to them while you're climbing hills. But for me, this angle really works well when I'm sitting up. You know, it's kind of a natural position to put your hand in. You know, your hand is already kind of at that angle. So it's perfect for me when I'm sitting up and riding on the bike path and just going straight to do that. And then if I need the brakes, I have to drop into here. So on this bike, they don't look terribly silly. Now, these, on the other hand, I'm doing some radical experiments over here. This one looks pretty silly. So on my new faster street bike, I put them on backwards, and then I put lock-on grips on them. And so with these, I can sit up straight and kind of have my elbows down on my hands at a reasonable angle. I'm not sure I like the way they look because it looks extremely odd. So what if I put them on the other way? Let's experiment with some different angles here. So if I flip them around from left to right, put the left one on the right side and the right one on the left side, that's a little better. Your hand is going to fit in there like that, so I could have a comfortable position with my elbows down. Everything's you know, no pressure on the wrists, and I'm sitting up straight, and then still be able to get in here and work the brakes and shift. So I may try it like that. Or what if you want to go full beach cruiser? These are a mile wide, so you know you're going to be running into everybody on the bike path, but you could even flip them around that way, and then there it is next to an actual beach cruiser. So if you want to beach cruiserize your fast bike, that's the way to do it with bar ends. So I'll put a link in the description to what these are, where I got them. And then these particular ones, I've actually taken some cheap Ozark Trail bolt-on hand grips and then put them onto a bar end to make it more comfortable and even longer. And these are Origin 8 Comp-Lite bar ends. So that's what the bar end looks like by itself. And then what I've done is put a lock-on mountain bike grip on it. So you just put the mountain bike grip on it, and then you tighten that bolt. This is made by Ozark Trail. They sell those at Walmart, like 10 bucks. And then you've got a grip. It's a little bit higher, and you're riding comfortable. And I should mention the main reason for doing this way versus raising up the handlebars and putting actual bars on it is all of these internally routed hydraulic cables. Like, I don't really want to have to, you know, run new cables, bleed the brakes, and do all that if I can just put something on there to make my hands higher.